You like your sausages and your cowboys walking along the road.
I would buy a massive yacht and sail the world with 2 dogs and a fridge full of cheese.
Now, I do feel a bit embarrassed because I was talking to somebody before and they was got all these ideas about helping the homeless and giving it away, and really I'm thinking of a kitchen.
Party, big party for a lot of people, for all people who helped me, who helped my partner.
It won't be Sylvester Stallone.
I doubt they'll make a movie.
Macaulay Culkin.
I think Helen Bonham Carter.
Oh, of course, Eddie Redmayne, because he's like Ginger and I used to be.
Bruce Willis.
Smiley. Miserable.
The love hearts in the eyes there. That one.
That one with the tears.
Happy?
By emoji, do you think all them daft things that keep coming up? I don't want to be described by an emoji, love. Fly.
To fly.
I like fly.
To fly the world.
To be able to clean without getting up from the settee.
I don't touch my face, never.
Sometimes I come downstairs on a tea tray.
I've got double jointed thumbs.
It's done.